Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can activate Cash App card without QR code. So the first step is you just need to log into your Cash App account. Once you do so, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. In the account settings menu, you just need to find the cash card option. If you cannot find the option, you can go back and there will be an option of wallet or cash card icon on the bottom left of your screen. So for me, my bank account is not connected, so I don't have that option. So you just need to tap on the card icon and then choose activate cash card button. Once you do so, you can choose between two options for card activation using the QR code or entering the CVV code manually. Since you don't have the QR code, select the option to enter the CVV code manually. Your Cash App card will have a unique CVV code printed on the back. Enter this code carefully in the provided field. After entering the particular code, tap the Activate Card button to complete the process. Hope this helped. This is how you can activate Cash App card without QR code.